Yeah, man,
More.
why Tikki? You know, me can't bother with your guys' fault of sorrows is my team.
I have to go fix someone like Jaden and Fabian. You know, see me I call you all night last night and you can't help me
So
out.
when you call me, but by the time if you call you back, me see you in the live, so me no bother call you back. And then me drop asleep. I did one.
Chipo, me heart heavy. Boy, somebody go get me to the hotel before me dead. Jesus Christ. No.
So Tikki, why cannot go on home?
Chipo, me not nobody be crying.
Tikki, Tikki, Tikki,
Boy.
Tikki.
Chipo. Oh God Almighty. Oh God. Chipo. Somebody say one knife at Obia.
Tikki want to you.
Chipo, me don't know if you say. Chipo. Chipo. Just like you live in my life. Let me call him, make you hear. I feel like me I got dead. Level person, level rose
11
chat.
person one rose chat. 11 person me team. 11 person one rose chat. Hello. Well, time not take a type right now. We still not catch a speed. 11 person one rose chat.
I love you, you know.
You had a chance to say that earlier, and instead you took me about other people. Right? I believe next time you should use your time wisely.
Trev needs to go sit down. More use your time while you have say that in front. So when can you say it in front? Listen to me.
No, true, me did that talk earlier and this man when in the call me and in the same we talk over the matter, so me that try say something about somebody. And he like he just tell me say when many matter me nothing mention nobody. This is the two of us. So now he must say me did have the chance earlier on. Lord Jesus said I'm a cheese to me. And if I tell Jesus, I tell me say me I get back him and I'm read of Bible verse yeah she. And this is like God send a message
Let's
to
go
me.
to our money gun chat.
Lift up your eyes to the hill where your help cometh from. Your help cometh from the Lord. Father, send him back. Do. Can you hear the Bible verse coming, Triple? Lift up
What you want him, Tikki?
If me do what, Triple?
You can't do without him. What make?
Don't know. I'm going to my chat. Triple.
So Tikki, you can't play hard, forget you can't make him run you can't do like you don't want him and make him run you down.
But me hard forget.
But you don't want to get Tikki every minute you call him.
Actually, you never know it. Have you ever meet someone so bad?
You can't pretend, you can't give somebody, you can't leave your phone down you can't put your phone up on it one dress or something under the bed
No,
and
I can't
left it.
pretend. I not pretend nothing. I'm my man. I call him anytime.
No, but you have to play hard, forget when you're too accessible them at so
You see me, I have a friend now. More see if I can fix this. I want to like how you fix Jaden and Fabi.
But they never Tikki, come here. Tikki. Stop call Trev phone. Stop beg him back.
Yeah.
You do him something. What you do him?
Cuss him.
You cuss him.
And he called police to me to take away his phone. And we have a discussion earlier on and I did while him up and run him off of the phone. And let me that try to explain no matter to him and me. I said, but that the person did this or that the person did that. So me did end up hanging up my phone off of him. And then now me I call him back when me really I look into it. But this morning when we did live last night this morning is like he call police for me chip because me take away his phone. So he call police for me. So I say he might have come from. He might have come from last night when something wrong. Chat to know what you see now. For 3,000 hot girl me have both. One of the one looking at me. One of the make a start, you know. Me a beg or something.
Them call police for you.
Yeah.
And you, they try and make it up back with him now.
Then no my man Triple, nobody else can try and make it up back with him.
So why you know wait? Why you know make him make it up back with you? Why you not breeze it and see if him will come around back to
Yeah, breeze it
why
for no clothes. Me nah breeze it, my love. If probably when me breeze it, what other girl go catch him.
No, when you see when you chase them Tikki so them run away, you have to load them. You have to be the catch. You can't be the chaser. Jesus Christ.
Lord best thing me not call you must fix it because I know you that fix it, you know.
Me can't, the way me fix is telling you to don't call back in phone and don't text him back and don't talk about him no more.
But bestie, I can sleep at night.
Will be.
But bestie, me can't sleep at night. Every time me shake me hair, me just see him in picture in front of me. Me can't eat, me now go eat, you know. My friend name Simon by what Papa is send go give me a seat here. Me can't eat. Me now go eat.
Tikki, bumbleclad. Then Tikki, if him know you can't go eat without him, you can't go sleep, or you can't go. Where you think go on?
Eh? Triple.
Jesus of
You know, nobody fi call, nobody fi vent to like how me coulda there Jamaica, me coulda walk around on me auntie yard because he a go lie down and cry to them and vent to them. Me nah nobody, you know. Fi ball too. Me no boy. Somebody oh Jesus Christ. Triple boy by the juice I can give me last night, you know. Precious memory. Trev by you. When me done with the box, me just put it right over there so under the TV. Every morning when me turn on the TV, me remember, when me look by you, me remember Trev.
Okay. Look how you come off foreign. I look refined, I'll get work permit and social before anybody else. You get the quickest me ever see.
Rosie's chat.
Why you not fighting
Roses.
Tikki? 23 person one rose. No, really.
Rosie's chat, 23 person one rose. 23 person one rose. If we not catch his speed, we just jump off Triple and just done this segment.
23
and that's the
person
segment
chat.
done. Me at 3,500 people who are so rose and me can't get 23
Two more rose chat.
Me never know me come across.
One more rose chat.
So me never remember say we did talk about it. So O'Neal start Kosa, O'Neal say Tikki I go feel shame and Tikki have feelings too and me can't go there make you deal with my friends so O'Neal start talk for me. You already know gets them, you already know gets them.
No man, make it see. So when O'Neal talk for you, what you say?
So O'Neal start talking on my he say me did I listen to thinking about O'Neal before me did explain to O'Neal I tell O'Neal say we have this conversation privately behind the scene already and we have this conversation with both of us parents already and other family member because me talk to one of my cousin named she about it. So we have this conversation already so he may not try to say that day so end up saying I go because I make O'Neal in back so disrespect him and me not tell the people them say me and they have the conversation privately. So me end up take one phone Triple. So I go downstairs in the lobby, I call police for me say me have him phone.
But Tikki, if you know say not so you go, why you never tell the people them or you go? Why you never tell O'Neal or you go?
What if O'Neal not give me no chance?
What you mean? Nobody not give you a chance to talk, Tikki. You overtalk people all the time. Since when people give you a chance to talk?
Yeah. So me don't want a chance to say to O'Neal, so O'Neal that but me never me did feel a way to Triple because I could have muted two phone and answer to me say Tikki, me never tell about this you see there, you never tell me about this already, we never have this conversation already. You could have muted two phone and answer stuff true.
Well, me understand if you don't want the public affection part, nothing wrong with that still. Me can't understand.
25% 25 Rose.
But if
So
you
Triple
know
will
say,
talk to
I'm
that.
not so it go Tikki, you can't.
25,000 25 Rose. So what is a man choose this? Roses guys, Marvin.
One rose chat.
Roses chat, Roses, everybody Roses.
25 to my team.
Roses chat, everybody Roses guys. Everybody
25
Roses.
chat.
Roses chat, Roses, everybody jump a Rose chat. Just so we can follow your other page. Yeah. Roses chat, Roses. Roses chat, Roses.
Rose.
Roses chat. Chat me can't get a push for that Triple. Your Barbie, you can't get something Barbie doll. So Triple.
So no we
And,
get Tikki. So O'Neal when just a try back you kind think Trev no want you.
Yeah, like he feel like Trev just a fling me and find chat triple
So you
chat.
realize
Chat
now,
triple.
sir, it's
Chat
a
triple.
big
I know
talk.
Rose this time no chat. You know feel so good
You
this
see,
guys.
you overtalk
And
now,
not will triple me a bit something by the
overtalk
triple.
O'Neal.
Wait,
I
no.
want you to talk.
Triple.
You use the triple chat.
Chat triple. Chat triple. Fabulous. Chat
You know
triple
wrong
chat.
O'Neal then, cause O'Neal when just a thing say man they push you off, cause man no wine or not with you. Meanwhile you know say the man don't tell you already say no like this style. You coulda just say if you don't agree to it, Tikki, you coulda just do it and done.
Chat triple. You tell me say me have 4,000 people I can't get to a wheel with the blood clot this. And what is? I wish girl go fucking last night and wash out them pussy and come boy. So afterward, Triple, but it's a me wrong in the first half because I should have explained to O'Neal. But Triple could have muted two for them to kind of the life on my phone with my page and in that film phone the life pan. So I could have muted two for them to put it in a panny bed and said to me, say, Tikki, me you not talk about this already. Tikki, you never talk to me about this yesterday. You never make me hear the device note where your father send you. You understand me? I say, Triple, Tikki me just send the device note to mother. Say, come me can't pay my device note just because me no want play it on the live. He never said nothing bad pertaining to me. It's just that his screen record and everything Jaya, like the mother talk about it, Jaya, everything. And I understand him as a Triple. So he start explain that to me now. Let me see how much moderator block this as one page. I just mean to do something wrong. Alright, he said something wrong. So same time now, Triple, me say, alright then, that cute or that good. Me take one phone Triple car, he say my go. So you no, Triple, me don't want me man go left me one at the hotel. So hold up on the phone and say, you can't go. In good on stairs now the lobby Triple, I call police. He wrong for that the best, he talk the truth.
Well, you should call police if you never do him nothing still. Me not like the call police fan because you know your situation in America. So the police part, me not like it now. Especially when they go on now with the police now. Police they tend to call immigration now. Some of them know and some of them will call immigration. So I know like one time before the laws them change where police come and they no business with immigration business. Now a law change. A police can pull you over, police can come for your matter. Them realize say, you know, whatever them bring in immigration and that them I do know. So well that part there, him should call police because I don't like no physical did that happen.
Yeah, just there's something who you wrong for. Anyway, explain to me how me know I thought that the reason why I call the police from the media, but he have a point too, but he need have to still call the police because he knows me and him not go fight and me and him not go get in no dispute for the hotel call police or than something. He could have walk out this in the passage Triple and go and talk to people them panning live and then he come back and say Triple and say Tikki me a me they really not give me my phone. Come Triple, you understand what me I say? He never have to call the police true. But why Triple? So you that done with him, Triple?
But Tikki, no matter what I'm doing, not done with him. So me really I wonder why you try for me help you with. Because no matter what happen or no matter what me say, I him you want there with, so it no matter. So all you talk, me still I try to figure out where the end game they are so.
You hear him now? Fear help me get him back.
Oh, I see. What up, Sir Rose's chat? Guys, we're gonna want money gun for the first trip on a chat. We're gonna want money gun for the first trip on my team.
Chat, you know we're gonna do something for the first Triple here, please. Chat Triple. Chat Triple on this house I am. Chat Triple. Chat Triple, me can't get a money gun for that Triple here. Chat, me have 4,000 people, me can't get a fabulous. Chat shoot. Chat shoot, chat. Chat shoot.
Miss Brit, thank you. Guys, we're gonna services. Let me tell you something, you see?
Chat shoot.
You and Trev come from two different
background.
worlds. You have two different personality, you have two different set of ways. The best you can do is understand each other and meet them. If you not go understand each other personality and understand each other how you go about things, how you act, how you talk, why I don't know, it kind of dark. Because you need to understand him not like certain things, and him need to understand say, so you turn and him have to accept you for who you be. And if you can't change and if him can't, I don't know.
You never change.
But Tikki, that just you is the type of person who ball out anything. You're the type of person who wanna hold down nothing. You're
Like
the type
how?
of person who show everything. So
25 versus 25 roses. Hold on, hold on.
25 one rose shot.
25 versus 25 roses, guys. Everybody jump a
one
rose.
rose my team.
Roses chat, roses.
Let me tell you something.
Roses chat,
Let me
roses.
tell you something, chat.
Roses chat.
From a woman perspective too.
Everybody jump a rose. Miss Triple wait, look at your speed first. Roses chat.
When a woman believe in a one man chat, there's nothing I can't tell him say no one them. Vice versa.
Roses chat.
You see when him believes that the boy want him all when the man tell you say listen I don't want him. If him hold
Two
that,
person, two more rose guys. That what this man.
And a son of woman stay too.
Two more person, two more rose.
I don't know why them stay so, but whether
that no shoot for the chip more want a wheel.
Them brain that them a work with. So no could have bite up no gum from now till a morning. It's not going to make a difference. Guys, use the triple chat.
Yeah, triple.
Use the triple, my team. Miss Kate, thank you. Use the triple, guys.
Chat triple
You're
chat.
doing not have the money guns.
Chat triple. Chat triple. Chat triple.
You want money guns.
That you can't shoot for the triple chat. They want Galaxy just so good.
Guys, you not a money gun, no donuts, no hearts.
So triple. Me I go change for me. Me I go change. You know, me I change myself and me also do it because I want to.
So what about the things them what him a do what you not like? Him change that for you?
He have everything me like about him.
No bumbo clot. Yes, me tell you chat, you just have to just go on 2 cents and move along. It don't make no sense. Guys, use the triple that chat.
Laugh. I'm gonna laugh after me.
So what make you love him, Tikki? Tell me what make you love him.
Comment section in the sorry, sir, we don't take it when I jump for you. Comment section.
What make you love, Trev? Tell me. What make?
I'm gonna tell you something. Lord and motor generator triple. Trev is a nice person. Trev caring, kind, tender touching, romantic, have ambition, in color, in personality, in audacity, audacity.
What about him audacity? That's not what
He
you
good. Triple just say you so big, bro. Leave me alone now. Jesus Christ. Alexia.
All right.
What audacity?
All right.
Alexia Mexican that shop.
All right. So but Tikki, when you left the hotel and I go back home.
Friday.
So where him live? Him live close.
Jamaica Avenue.
So him live by himself?
Kinda.
So you ever go up a yard?
What about time?
So
Chat on the shoot. Chat shoot one and that, guys.
So what make you there at hotel now? What make
Alright, he kinda share space with somebody.
okay, me understand.
So we did make a link up with me up on the media. Scam with the people we attack and he say feel like me I give him bun and so forth and me say me want fuck. My auntie text me phone and I say tell him say you want fuck. He say alright then I fuck you want me I go give you fuck then. Me I come over there. Anyway, me live with one of my family, they say it can't. You know everybody now go tolerate you, then we accept you how you are, but then still now go. You understand? So then say they would encourage me to rent a hotel or a motel for the night. If people them on the media give you the money for rent the motel, what woman say he ain't like we and he always watch me and everything and she
everybody media give you money for rent the hotel for no grind.
So we triple. I want to tell people love me now. So we stay for the night then.
Hey, continue.
So after that woman say I must say the supervisor or something like that for the hotel or whatsoever. And she tell me say, alright chef, don't bother go over Tikki, because that's just one night, just make Tikki come over. New York over the hotel. And me come Sunday night, Saturday night, and me go sign in Sunday morning. And me buy my little girly era things them. My body wash, my mouthwash, my lingerie, my little garments. Guys, me I beg on something.
Guys, get your speed. Consider Tikki. Get your speed chart.
So, we're at the hotel now and everything. So I saw when we end up meet at the hotel. 24 person, 24 rows.
24 person, one rose chat.
Roses, guys.
24 person with team.
Roses, guys. People have to fix this. Me not ask guys. Roses.
That's 24 person chat.
Roses chat. Roses. Roses are entertainment to know I get. Miss Gardner, you can't beg you while look push me auntie.
Guys, can you speak to me not chat to see all what me and go through to see the stress.
One more person, one more rose. One
me go through all the while. No more police can catch his speed. It's rough, you know.
The triple you feel like I must do no. Triple.
Hard.
Triple. So bestie, more you help me to get him back. And you have to go, me know you have to do that for your bestie. Chat triple.
Guys, use the triple
chat. Triple.
Guys, use the triple. Guys,
chat triple chat.
One Galaxy.
Chat, me can't get a money gonna wheel a Galaxy or not. Fab. Chat triple chat.
Before, listen. Guys, use the gloves chat. Just see if me know.
You can't get a Galaxy chat a wheel a push.
Trev.
But me can't get a wheel a push, guys. You have gloves to chat shoot.
You know what say, guys, no roses funny glove. Me have to find out from Trev. Matt Bean from when me want see a Shanika the name for the
me tell him so Triple I call him.
No, that time say me never said that. Me wait, hold on. You mean like you go left Connecticut, come back to New York? If you ever Tikki.
She might kill you, Alia, for me, auntie.
Tikki. Tikki. You have somewhere that see a Connecticut. Where you come to New York country?
No, when me say run off, me mean like I say like me that take me so you know.
No, I know that you mean. You want to come to New York.
No, that me mean.
Come back to New York.
Jesus Christ. Anytime my friend takes me a serious thing, you know, if him call police once, him will call them twice. But the police ain't calling them a regular common assault that him and
no, the police, what they listen, some police, every police different. You have some police who are really can't bother, you have some police who are nicer, you have some police who are extra. You see, you might buck up on one police who are digging at every question. Every question you have to answer. Every police different, you don't know which one you go get. So you can't really say that.
All you have fix what you have to say. Well, thank you, Garden. Thanks, everybody. Thanks, Garden. I just so good.
Part of Cyrus is shot.
Me not make me happen to rule me, but me love him. And he can't just drop like that and me just get up and say over like that. For all those memories we are looked on, those things, those something we used to.
How long are there, Tikki?
Couple weeks or a couple days.
You know this is professional, but me have been like, you know, listen to me.
So
what kind of, alright, look here, me serious now. What kind of memories do you have, Tikki?
I mean, I will talk everything from the media.
I really want to take it serious in the way I make it hard for me. You know what I say? Guys, catch his speech, catch a triple me team.
These are some precious time. Trev, Miss Triple want to speak with you.
Come here, Trev. Call add me.
Me no know. He just say want to speak with you.
I want to talk to you, Trev.
He say they are Triple, but you're the live, so me don't know if you. He say want to talk to you on the phone or you want
at your work. So what you did? You're not the live, Trev.
In the live, but probably on TikTok in my work.
What? Me feel like me I forgot to agree with the people that me know, cause This not right. This also
If I
right.
agree with your friend, remember me agree with anything for you.
Him their work and him their live and him can't listen. Me feel like me have to go side with the crowd, you know, Tikki, because me feel like saying something wrong. Oh, I must. I'm going to look for the work.
You are a big pussy moderator over there.
I go for my other page. I'm going to see if I can go in the inbox with my other page. Tell Trev to answer my request. Me send him one request. Oh, see me. Trev, boy. What?
I'm good.
So, Trev, what happened with you and Tikki now? What the reason why you know?
But to be honest though, Miss Triple, I can't talk about this right now. I scheduled my days for between 2 to 5. I strictly talk about business.
Me understand.
And I come back on at 10 where I have fun and I play games and entertain everything else. So this is just my little words that I use to promote my brand and also help anybody else who wants to come in my box and talk about their business and share their business and stuff. That's what I do. I understand your concerns. I'm more than happy to answer them, but not right now because I don't want to mix my business with business.
That is a good answer.
Yes.
I have to go hold that I like that. All right. Me not come back tonight. Right now, me want to get rid of this off of me. Me not come back tonight, but good answer. And later. Then take it to blood clot. You see, man, I'll find sitting though. And you can't find
In your work, Triple.
That is so look good, Tikki. They how him find, how him can go man answer properly, say the man a find something do, Tikki. Ah, you have work permit and social, and you Tikki can go and go find something.
So what me there?
You not work your ball, but these are the serious times, special times to remember. You not to pay the blood clot music or rank if you're wrong.
Listen to me. Me and my feelings and me in
man
love.
focus on a relationship, the man at work.
Triple. They are two different things. Him don't love me, but me love him. When me love me, can't work.
The bomber class.
You know, call it every minute and the people them call up in name and mix up argument. Shema have in name in a triangle and they look at something they make Shema have in name in a triangle over the same. Why look at dirty one for Trinidad?
So Shema,
and you keep a judgment. Like I say, my bad person or my mix up or there's something there. And you want me must stop the cousin or then there's something there.
Part of Star Roses, my team.
Roses, guys, that's something me a beg. A man judgment. Boy, they me always say when one shop many more wholesale out there open. It look like I said all of Mr. Chin them gone past strike will open the wholesale of blood clot. Or this a shop you only having everything when the wholesale them never have with every sure. We're gonna do something black and mute Africa. Anybody you black me not unblack me know so them have to do something if you bad. You have to be loyal. Loyal like oh.
Part of Star Roses, my team.
Everybody wanna follow me new page.
Part of Star Roses.